Welcome back to my channel, where today we're embarking on an incredible journey to Tulum, a gem nestled on the stunning Caribbean coast of Mexico. From its ancient Mayan ruins perched atop cliffs overlooking the sea to its world-renowned cenotes and vibrant eco-chic lifestyle, we'll uncover the beauty and mystique of Tulum in every corner. Join us as we explore the best of what this breathtaking destination has to offer, from hidden beaches to gourmet local cuisine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community of adventurers and never miss out on our explorations. Let's dive into the magic of Tulum together and discover why it's a paradise unlike any other. Tulum is a captivating destination located on the Caribbean coastline of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It is renowned for its well-preserved ruins of an ancient Mayan port city, stunning beaches with crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant cenotes that are natural swimming holes. Tulum stands out for its laid-back atmosphere, eco-friendly accommodations, and a thriving culinary scene that blends traditional Mayan flavors with modern cuisine. The town is divided into two main areas: Tulum Pueblo, offering a more authentic local experience with a variety of restaurants and shops, and the Tulum Beach Zone, known for its boutique hotels, beach clubs, and close proximity to the Mayan ruins. Tulum attracts those interested in history, nature, and wellness, providing a unique blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Getting to Tulum is relatively straightforward, with the nearest airport being Cancun International Airport, located approximately 120 kilometers (75 miles) to the north. From Cancun, visitors can choose from a variety of transportation options including ADU buses, which offer direct services to Tulum, private shuttle services, car rentals for more flexibility, or taxi services, though these may be more expensive. The bus journey takes about 2 to 2.5 hours, offering a comfortable and cost-effective way to reach Tulum. For those looking for a quicker, more personalized travel option, private shuttle services can be booked in advance and provide door-to-door service from the airport to your accommodation in Tulum. Traveling around Tulum can be an enjoyable part of the experience, with several options suited to different preferences. Renting a bicycle is a popular and eco-friendly way to explore both Tulum Pueblo and the beach zone, as distances are relatively short and the terrain is mostly flat. For longer distances or to visit nearby cenotes and attractions, renting a scooter or car provides more flexibility and convenience. Taxis are widely available throughout Tulum for quick trips, but it's advisable to agree on a fare before starting your journey. Additionally, many visitors choose to walk, especially within the beach zone, where many attractions, restaurants, and beaches are easily accessible by foot. Tulum offers a wealth of sights to see, catering to a wide range of interests. The Tulum ruins, perched atop a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea, are a must-visit for their historical significance and breathtaking views. The Gran Cenote and Cenote dos Ojos are among the most famous cenotes near Tulum, offering crystal-clear waters for snorkeling and diving. The Shan Khan Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provides an opportunity to explore diverse ecosystems, including mangroves, tropical forests, and marine habitats. The Tulum Beach Zone is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Mexico, where visitors can relax on powdery white sand or enjoy various water sports. Additionally, Tulum's vibrant nightlife, boutique shopping, and wellness retreats, such as yoga and meditation classes, offer something for every traveler. In Tulum, there's an abundance of activities to suit every type of traveler. Adventure seekers can explore the ancient Mayan ruins that overlook the Caribbean Sea, offering a glimpse into the region's rich history. Snorkeling and diving in the cenotes, natural sinkholes with crystal-clear waters, provide an unforgettable underwater experience. Yoga and wellness enthusiasts will find numerous retreats and workshops, set in serene locations perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Beach lovers can unwind on Tulum's pristine beaches, while those interested in culture can explore the local artisan shops and markets for unique crafts and textiles. The best time to visit Tulum is between November and December, when the weather is warm and pleasant, and the tourist crowds are thinner. This period offers the perfect balance of sunny days and cool evenings, ideal for exploring the ruins, beaches, and cenotes. January to March is peak tourist season, so while the weather is fantastic, expect higher prices and more crowded attractions. The rainy season from May to October brings hotter temperatures, humidity, and occasional showers, though it also means fewer tourists and potentially lower prices for accommodations and tours. Hotel and food prices in Tulum can vary widely depending on the season, location, and the level of luxury. During the peak season, prices for beachfront hotels and boutique accommodations can soar, reflecting the high demand. Budget travelers can find more affordable options in Tulum Pueblo, where guest houses and hostels offer a cheaper alternative to the beach zone's luxury resorts. The culinary scene in Tulum ranges from street food stalls and casual taquerias to high-end restaurants offering gourmet dining experiences. Prices for meals can be as diverse as the food scene itself, with options to fit every budget, from inexpensive local dishes to pricier international cuisine. Tulum's culinary offerings are a blend of traditional Mexican cuisine, Mayan dishes, and international flavors, catering to a wide range of tastes. Local specialties include cochinita pibil, a slow-roasted pork dish marinated in citrus and annatto seeds, and seafood tacos filled with fresh catch from the Caribbean. Ceviche, made with locally caught fish, lime juice, and spices, is a refreshing option on hot days. Tulum's dining scene also boasts a variety of international restaurants, offering everything from Italian to Asian cuisine. For an authentic experience, visiting a local taqueria for tacos al pastor or enjoying a meal at a beachside restaurant is a must. In Tulum, shoppers can find a wide array of unique items that reflect the area's rich culture and natural beauty. Artisanal crafts and textiles, such as handmade hammocks, colorful fabrics, and traditional Mayan clothing, are popular souvenirs. Local markets and boutiques offer jewelry made from local materials, including silver and semi-precious stones, capturing the essence of the region. Organic beauty products, such as soaps and lotions made with local ingredients like coconut and aloe vera, are also sought after. Additionally, Tulum's art galleries and shops sell contemporary art and sculptures by local artists, making for meaningful keepsakes or gifts. Tulum offers a variety of accommodation options to suit different preferences and budgets. For those seeking luxury, beachfront boutique hotels and eco-resorts in the Tulum beach zone provide exclusive amenities and stunning sea views. Mid-range options, including charming bungalows and villas, are available closer to Tulum Pueblo, offering a more authentic experience of local life. Budget travelers can find hostels and affordable guest houses in the town center, providing easy access to local eateries and shops. Many accommodations emphasize sustainability, allowing guests to enjoy a more eco-conscious stay amidst Tulum's natural beauty. Tulum is generally considered safe for tourists, with a laid-back atmosphere and a strong focus on tourism security. However, like any popular travel destination, it's important to exercise common-sense safety precautions, such as guarding personal belongings, using reputable transportation services, and staying informed about local areas to avoid. The Mexican government and local businesses prioritize the safety of visitors, but staying aware of your surroundings and following any travel advisories issued by your home country is advisable. Tulum is absolutely worth visiting for its unique combination of natural beauty, archaeological significance, and contemporary culture. The ancient Mayan ruins offer a window into the past, set against the backdrop of the Caribbean Sea. Tulum's cenotes and reefs provide unparalleled opportunities for snorkeling and diving. The town's commitment to sustainability and preservation of its natural and cultural heritage adds to its appeal. With its mix of relaxation, adventure, and cultural exploration, Tulum caters to a wide range of interests, making it a compelling destination for travelers seeking more than just a beach vacation. As our journey through the enchanting Tulum comes to a close, we're left in awe of its ancient ruins, crystal-clear cenotes, and stunning beaches that have captured our hearts. We've delved into the rich Mayan heritage, savored the flavors of local cuisine, and embraced the tranquil vibes of this beautiful corner of the Caribbean. Thank you for exploring Tulum with us, from its lush jungles to its serene shores, each moment more memorable than the last. If you've enjoyed this adventure and want to keep up with our travels, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until our next journey, keep exploring, and let the spirit of Tulum inspire your next adventure.